Curiosity, set course for a plastic-free shopping trip.
Setting course for a plastic-free shopping trip.
Okay, Curiosity, let's zoom around.
Amy, zoom! We're all out of brain power.
We can't go on our trip without that.
Oh, let's go back to Maya and Julia's school for help. Look, there they are.
Hi, Zoom. Have you run out of brain power?
Yes, we have. Would you be able to generate some more for us?
Yes, we would.
Well then, it's time for a brain power challenge.
When the power runs out,
It's the brain power challenge.
when we can't get a bus,
It's the brain power challenge.
put our helmets on, got our brains feeling strong, get the power back on.
Brain Power Challenge!
Hey everyone! Are we ready for a brain power challenge? Yeah! Maya, Julia, brain power helmets on, please. Okay, we need you to help us by answering some questions so we can generate enough brain power to get the Curiosity moving again. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, question 1. Maya, plastic can take hundreds of years to do what? Is it break down, break dance, or break the ice?
Break down.
Yes, that's right! Yeah! And look, you're already making brain power. Julia, let's see if you can get us enough so we can take Zoom to a place with far less plastic. Here's your question. What do we call plastics that we only use once? Is it single moose, single goose, or single use?
Single use.
That's the right answer!
We've got enough brain power to get going again. Thanks, Maya. Thanks, Julia. Back to board, Mark.
Bye, everyone!
Bye.
And remember, always stay curious.